Hello, I'm Kaylee, an Educational Development Coordinator at Wiser. Today, I'm going to share how we conduct course observations. Performing course observations is just one of the many ways our curriculum team ensures simulation scenarios effectively meet their learning objectives. After a new course goes through our review process and is officially created, subject matter experts and course directors have an opportunity to run a pilot scenario before including any participants. During this pilot scenario, facilitators and instructors can practice their runtime, ensure equipment functions in the way they need it to, and orient themselves to the learning environment. While running the pilot, members from our operations and curriculum team are available to provide guidance and informally observe the activity, taking notes of any areas that may need some revision. Discussing the success of the pilot scenario with the instructor provides an outside, unbiased perspective of their class and helps them feel more prepared for the real event. Once the pilot scenario has run and feedback has been given, it's time for the first real simulation session. From a control room, our curriculum team will observe and take notes on how well the session is progressing. Our course catalog has over 500 active courses, so we understand scenarios can vary in terms of learning levels, modalities, fidelity, and overall outcomes, which is why our observations focus more on the bigger picture by answering some of the following questions. Were participants introduced to the simulator and other equipment in the room? Were participants actively engaged throughout the whole session? Was the session run in an appropriate room with the correct modalities for a suitable amount of time? What facilitation methods, if any, were used to guide learners in achieving desired outcomes? Did debriefing occur after the session? These basic questions help guide our observations as well as the overall recommendations and feedback we provide to help improve the simulation-based training for next time. Observations are then completed on an as-needed basis after the first class runs. This process of completing observations helps ensure simulation activities are abiding by best practices and that course directors and instructors have actionable feedback as a roadmap to guide further improvements to their simulation activities. Developing and deploying simulation-based education at Wiser is a collaborative effort, and the curriculum team works diligently with our course directors to ensure appropriate modifications are made once feedback and suggestions for improvement are provided. By working together, we are able to deliver the best learning experience for those that utilize our center. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed. For more information on how Wiser supports simulation-based healthcare education, like and subscribe to our YouTube page at WiserSim.